Hello, and welcome to the Research and Learning team. My name is Dr. Christy Tabers, and I am your immediate supervisor. This training video will show you how to search Discovery at Tarleton, which is a tool that searches the library catalog as well as almost all of our academic databases that the library subscribes to. Now I want to show you how to search Discovery at Tarleton using your new research skills that you gained from the previous video. So let's go back to the question, does teacher professional development improve students' academic performance? Now that we are on the library's homepage, let's think of a few key terms or concepts we can pull from this question because we do not want to type the research question directly into the database search box. So maybe we decide to use the terms teacher and professional development and students and academic performance. Okay, so that's a good start. What are some other possible terms? Maybe academic achievement or student learning? Remember to keep track of the different keywords you use. Let's go ahead and click the magnifying glass. On the results page, you will see several results with many different types of resources. You can easily limit your results by source type. First, select your source type on the left-hand side of the page. For our search, let's select academic journals. For many articles, you will see a link to the electronic full-text version of the article, like the first result here. Remember to review the results with the user to make sure the articles are going to work for the research question. If the results are not what the user is looking for, go back to your search terms and try different combinations. Once the user selects a resource, click on the PDF full-text link to open the article in the browser. From here, the user can read the article in its entirety. Let's go back to the search results. You may also find a small purple box that says Check Full Text Finder. If the full text is not immediately available for your article, clicking on this box may present additional options to access the full text from another Tarleton Library database. In this case, the article is available through ScienceDirect. Note that there are other limiters on the left-hand side of the page. For example, you can search by publication date. That was a brief overview of searching the Discovery at Tarleton tool. Remember, you can always ask a librarian on staff for help if you're having trouble finding resources for our users. Watch the other training videos available on the Research and Learning Training website for more helpful tips and information. Thank you, and we look forward to having you on our team.